So, I have launched a browser, and this is the website. Click on this, and you will see one modal, and you have to close this to perform further operation. So, this is my project. Make my tree. I have created my project in the Maven project. So, in the Maven, you have to write test cases under the SRC test. So basically, you have to create two separate packages, one each for the object and another is for the test cases. So this is the short description of the project. You can pause the video and you can read this. And if you are making this project for the first time, so these are the some of the challenges you have you will be encountering, and this is very time consuming. So best of luck. So this is the first module. This is the search flight object in basically, uh, but before that, let me tell you one more thing. This is the base class. So in the base class, I have created one setup file here. So you have to create one base class. It is just, this is a plain Java class. Okay. So you will be launching WebDriver manager here, and you will be launching browser and implicit timeout, maximizing browser, launching URL, and you see this XPath. This is for the closing the model. So this is part and parcel of the browser setup. So I have created my browser setup in the base class, and my all the test cases are going to inherit this base class. So let's close this. So now use cases. Uh, if you are going from Pune, so you have to first click on this model. You have to enter your, you have to select round trip, enter Pune, and which airport? Pune airport. Okay, you are going where? Mumbai. Enter Mumbai and click on the which airport? Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport, and select it. So I have selected, let's keep it. You have to select 6 and return date 7, and you can select here business class or economy. I have selected business in my test cases. You can perform operation on this, and you can click on the search. So this is the test case. So this is my first search flight object. This class is basically all the web elements that I have. So I'm capturing the XPath for all the web elements, and I'm performing actions on those web element, and I'll be creating some methods uh, to perform action on these web elements, and I'll be calling that into test cases. So basically encapsulation and inheritance concept is widely used. So this is the first search flight object. I have declared WebDriver as a class object, and this is the constructor. WebDriver is passed into parentheses. So this refers to this class object. So these are the some web elements. These all are web elements. So this is for the round trip. Round trip is basically here. You have to select round trip, and this is from city, from airport, going from Pune airport, and this is for the two city, two airport, going to Mumbai and Shivaji Maharaj airport. Okay, this is for the arrival date and the departure and arrival date. So this is the XPath. So this is very much not easy to find this calendar, to automate this calendar. So be prepared, you are gonna have some lots more time there. So and this is the expert to select the travel class and applying button. this. Click on this, select the business class and click on the apply. This is my operation and this is for the search flight button. Okay. So all the web element object I have kept private, and you can see majority XPath are used and index path text is also widely used. Okay, ID is also often used. So these are the some public methods to perform action on the web element object. So this is the verify round trip. This method is generally for this. Okay, so each and every web element object has some methods, and these are the public methods and these are the private web elements. So this is the public method to verify from city, and I have some perform some actions like send keys, click action. So web element actions are there, verify dates, verify travel class, and to click on the search button. So this is the object class for the web element. So in the come in the base class, in the base class, this is the browser setup, uh, and you have to declare the class object here in the base class. So basically in the test case, instead of inheriting this class, you just have to inherit the base class, because you are going to create all your class object in this base class. So this is the browser setup, and public, this is my class name, and this is reference variable. Yes, fu stand for search flight object. So I have created class object here, and this is my test case. So in this test case, we have two methods. First, two annotations are here before test. This will run before this test. This is the description. It is optional, and in this before test, the browser setup will run. This is browser setup I have declared here. So this browser setup will run before my test case, and this is the reference variable I have written in the base class. So using that reference variable, I am calling all these methods written in the this is all the public methods to perform action on the web element I have written here. So using class reference variable, I am calling all the methods. So I hope this work now. Browser launch, URL launch, modal is closed, Pune, Mumbai, Asad. Okay, I think my test case is passed. So there is one more thing. If you perform the execution, you will be encounter uh, some error. I think here you will see some error. uh. So in this case, this error network problem, you just have to tweak this URL. Here you see false. You just have to change this to the true, and you are good to go. So this is a one we can say uh, loop glitch or whatever. So okay, I think that's it. Thank you for being here. My name is Pradeep. Bye.